Hi, I am Sharan Paul from Kadalur, Tamil Nadu. I am skilled in quality assurance and quality control in welding inspection, which is very essential for oil and gas industry. I am performing this video to get World Skills Council certificate. I am going to perform magnetic particle testing, which is a part of entity. Before testing the testing object must be cleaned by using solvent cleaner to clean the test object. After cleaning the test object, we have to apply white contrast paint to have a white contrast background. After applying white contrast paint, we have to conduct testing. Now we are going using pipe gauge to confirm the yoke machine is working properly or not. Now apply magnetic field on the yoke machine. Now the indication forms on the pipe gauge. The yoke machine is working properly. Now apply magnetic field along with the magnetic particle. Now the indicators are developed. We have to record the indicators and interrupt the result. Now we are going to do post cleaning.